Hey everyone, can you hear the rain coming down? Isn't that spectacular? Just cleansing everything on the planet. So I just want to spend a couple of minutes raising our vibes, getting us feeling good, and increasing hope and vitality in our cells inside our body. Okay, so running that central meridian, anti-clockwise over the heart. Emotional stress release points. Just gorgeous. Hold that on there for a moment. Okay. I live in hope and reduce my fears. I live in hope and let go of my fears. I live in hope and overcome my fears. When I relax, I increase my serotonin. When I relax, my hope comes to the forefront of my mind. When I relax, I can see my future beautifully, full of wonder and excitement. I increase hope, love, and grace in my cells. I increase hope, love, and grace in my life. I increase hope in my aura so that it touches everyone around me. My aura is filled with light, love, hope, and vitality. And it affects everyone around me positively. Increase that vibe, increase that vibe, increase that vibe. Run that central, anti-clockwise over the heart, emotional stress release points. We're living in challenging times, but we know through challenge comes growth. We know through challenge we get rid of the distractions, we find out what's really important in our lives. What does our heart need? What does our soul need? What do our cells require to live happily and healthily on this gorgeous planet of ours? Okay. Increasing our serotonin, dopamine, melatonin, oxytocin allow us to feel love, allow us to feel vital, allow us to feel energized, allow us to feel loved, and lovable. I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. I am happy, I am healthy, I am safe. So anger, frustration, rage seems to be one of the emotions that's blocking hope. So we know from our map of consciousness that the lower emotions, the rage, the anger, the fear, the blame, the shame, the frustration, the pride, the jealousy, all of those are lower emotions. They have a lower vibration, and the higher vibration always wins. The higher vibration of forgiveness, the higher vibration of love, the higher vibration of grace, the higher vibration of acceptance and welcoming energy. That's the higher vibration. A lot of people on the planet at the moment are looking at what they cannot do. Pay attention to what you can do. Pay attention to where you can go. Pay attention to who is welcoming. And there you will find your tribe. As I said to someone yesterday, it's not about being jibby-jabbed or not. It's about finding your people who accept you in their lives. They're your tribe. If people don't accept you, they're not your tribe. Simple. Simple. So raise that vibration, let go of that anger, let go of that frustration, let go of that rage. So we're going to do a couple of breaths. We're going to breathe in hope. We're going to breathe out anger, frustration, and rage. And when we're breathing in, I want you to visualize what works for you, whether it's a white energy, a white cleansing energy, or a blue healing, or a pink heart energy. Or we might oscillate them. Okay, so breathing in, white healing energy. Breathing out, frustration, rage, and anger. Breathing in, pink loving energy. Breathing out, rage, anger, frustration. Breathing in, blue, healing, gorgeous light. Breathing out, rage, anger, frustration. 999, 999, 999. 999, 999, 999. Breathe in and out. I am hopeful. I am hopeful for now. I am hopeful for my future. I am hopeful for my dreams and things that I look forward to. Okay, running that central anti-clockwise over the heart, holding those emotional stress release points. Okay, quick little RAS circuit. Escape submission, okay. Right. So it's almost like rather than be hopeful, the brain would rather run away. So in other words, hope is so far away at the moment that the brain doesn't want to know about it. So it's lowering our serotonin, lowering our expectations, which is therefore creating more vigilance in our world, creating more vigilance in the now. I don't know whether you found on the Brain Centre at New Leaf Natural Therapies Facebook page, there's a video there in the last couple of days with Dr. Bruce Lipton, and he talks about the energy and the vibration of thought, and he talks about how we are organisms on this planet. We're meant to be connected. We're meant to be community people. So as the powers that be and the big agenda is about dividing people, people are finding a way to connect. People are finding their tribe. People are finding their groups and their people on the planet, all over the planet, who are keeping them healthy, safe, and well. They're keeping them connected and hopeful. They're keeping them connected and feeling that grace of love in our hearts. Double check the RAS circuit. Okay, so this time there's an expectation of long-term stress. And from what I've seen in documentation, they're planning on this little shenanigan on the planet going for, 3 to 5 years. So, we've got a bit of time to go. So we're just going to keep on trying to push this agenda. We just have to learn to duck and weave and move in there with it. So this is noradrenaline, so that expectation of long-term stress. And then it's actually the soles on the bottom of the feet. So I want you to visualize some white light coming up from Mother Earth and bathing the bottom of your feet. And what that's helping is to diffuse the need to focus on the stress all the time. So the expectation of long-term stress is because we're focusing on it all the time. So allow that energy to come up from Mother Earth into the soles of your feet. Imagine that beautiful golden light, white golden light on the bottom of your feet, diffusing the expectation of long-term stress. Feeling safe, feeling grounded. Life is good, life is good, life is good. And yeah, there are shenanigans going on everywhere, but I am safe, I am healthy, I am free. I am safe, I am healthy, I am free. I am safe, I am healthy, I am free. And I live in hope for good times. I live in hope for friendships. I live in hope to feel loved, loved and lovable. It's this time on the planet where the vibration of the highest is going to win. The highest vibration always outdoes. I highly recommend going and listening to Bruce Lipton. Gorgeous human being. Let me double check. Okay, my beautiful souls, I'll upload this now. I'm having shenanigans with my phone lately. That's why I haven't been on very much. Take care. Talk to you soon. Love you.